Want to build wealth? Want to build wealth, even on an average income? Start with these 5 simple habits. Number 1, spend less than you earn. Always keep your expenses lower than your income. This is the foundation of financial freedom.
Number 2, follow a budget. Track where every dollar goes. Cut unnecessary spending before it becomes a habit.
Number 3, save first, spend later. Automatically save at least 10 to 20% of every paycheck.
Number 4, avoid lifestyle inflation. When your income increases, don't increase your spending. Invest the extra money instead. Number 5, invest the difference. Put your savings into long-term investments, like index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts, to grow your wealth over time.
Live below your means today, and your future self will thank you. Follow for more smart money tips.